Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 16th. Today we will explore a practice called body awareness. It is different from a body scan in that instead of moving through the body and feeling into the various specific areas, this is more of an open awareness exercise that lays the foundation for feeling the emotions in the body and responding with compassion. So take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. As you do this, notice where in the body you can feel the breath. Pick one spot where the sensation of breathing is strongest and collect the mind onto this area of the body. You may want to use a simple mantra here: in, out, as you inhale and exhale. Or you may try saying to yourself, breathing in, I know I am breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. And stay with this for a little longer, giving the mind some space to settle into practice. When something does come forward, observe what you feel. It may help to use a one-word label discerning where in the body the sensation is occurring. For example, note knee when you feel a discomfort, a pain in the knee, or just any kind of sensation. Or perhaps chest when you notice the sensation of the breath in the chest. In other words, don't label what the feeling is. Just label where in the body it occurs. And then tend to each sensation for a few breaths. And return to the spot in the body where you're focusing on the breath. Continue to observe the breath until another sensation pops up. And go through the whole process again, noting where in the body you feel the sensation, staying with it for a few moments, and then returning to the one spot where you feel your breath the strongest. I'll be silent for a little bit to give you space for this. Maintain this practice of alternating between the breath and other sensations in the body. Each time your attention is drawn elsewhere, stay with it for a few moments before returning to the breath. Get to know your body and explore its experiences with kindness and curiosity. If you have consistent pain or discomfort in the body, it may continue to call for your attention. No matter how many times you try to shift your awareness, you're drawn back to this one place of pain. It's completely normal. When this happens, simply listen. No judgment. Perhaps this area needs some loving attention. Try to look at this pain with beginner's mind. Maybe switch to a phrase of self-compassion for your body, even if it's something super simple, like, it's okay. I'll be silent for the next minute or so, once again giving you space to stay with your direct experiences. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what is going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice of body awareness. Remember, it's different from a body scan. In this practice, it's more about an open awareness versus focusing on feelings in various specific areas. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.